Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add page number in slide. So if you want to add page number in Google slide, here's how you can get it done. So first thing you have to do is click on insert, then scroll the row down, then tap on slide numbers. Once tap on slide numbers, then make sure that this particular option is turned on. If it is off, and just make sure you turn it off. Then you can skip the titles. Once to do that, then apply these settings, apply it, then go back to check. You will notice that the page number is there. You can see page 4, then page 5, then page 2. Depends, just scroll down, you will see the page number. This is page 9, and this is page 10. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.